So hi guys, today I am having my Bible here. I want to see how conversant I am with the Bible verses. The fact that I was brought up in a Kikuyu church, I want to see whether I can be able to say this Old Testament and the New Testament in Kikuyu. First of all, the Bible is called Kirikaniro, so let's dig in. Genesis, Kĩambĩrĩria, Exodus, Rama, Leviticus, maũndũ ma Alawii, Numbers, Dari, Deuteronomy. I don't know whether Deuteronomy is Gushokerithia Madhani, something of the sort. I am not sure, please correct me. Joshua is Joshua. Judges, Neke, Guy, Atiriri Forori, yes! Ruth is Ruth. Samuel wa mbere na wa kerĩ. Kings ni Athamaki. Chronicles, maũndũ ma matukũ wa tene. First and Second Chronicles, so maũndũ ma matukũ wa tene wa mbere na wa kerĩ. Ezra is Ezra. Nehemiah ni Nehemia. Esther ni Esteri. Job ni Ayubu. Psalms, guy, mbona nasahau Psalms? Psalms is guy, ona ikienda kuna Psalms na Proverbs, so kuna Dhafuri na Thimo. Dhafuri is Psalms, Thimo is Proverbs. Ecclesiastes is Mũhunjia kana Koherethu. Songs of Solomon, nyĩmbo cia Suleimani. Isaiah is just Isaiah. Jeremiah, Lamentation ni Mashakaya. Ezekiel ni Ezekieli. Daniel is just Daniel. Hosea is Hosea. Joel ni Joeli. Amos, Obadiah ni Obadiah. Jonah ni Jonah. Micah is just Micah. Nahum ni Nahum. Habakkuk is just Habakuku. Zephaniah ni Zephaniah. Haggai ni Haggai. Zechariah ni Zechariah. And the last one is Malachi ni Malachi. All that. Yeah. So watch part 2 so that you can see the New Testament one.